Welcome back again, my dear students, for mathematics class. That is for class 5 only today. So today I am going to teach you again the same topic, that is LCM. In previous episode I have taught you about the same LCM, how to find the given product number by using prime factorization method. But today I am going to teach you how to find the LCM of the given product number by using simple division method. Now in previous LCM, what we were doing, we were finding term wise. That means first finding all the factor of 18, then again 45, then again 60. After that we are manipulating the number, we are finding the common number. But today here we will not follow the same rule. So what we are going to do here, we will take all the number together, like 18, 45 and 60. So 18, 45 and 60. After writing all this number, what we are going to do, we are going to break down by a particular given factor number, like 18. So by 2 we can break down. How many times? 2 9s are 18. Now here 45 we cannot break down by 2. So what we have to do, we have to write as it is. Then again we will proceed to 60. Suppose if we get the bigger number, then what we can do, you can just divide this 60 and try to break down by the same factor, that is 2. So 2 how many times it goes? 2 3s are 6. Subtract it, bring it down 0. 2 0s are 0. So remember you are getting 0. So that means 2 30s are 60. So we can write down 2 30s are 60. Now again see the same line, whether the number can be break down by 2. If the number can be break down by 2, then we will break it down. If not, then we will proceed to next number, that is 3. So here 9 we cannot break down by 2. Even 45 we cannot break down by 2. But this 30 can be break down by 2 because 30 is an even number. So 2, 9 as it is we will write because we cannot break down. 45 also. But 30 we can break down how many times? 2 15s are 30. Now see second row. In this row what we find? We find that 9, 45 and 15, they are all odd number. So it cannot be break down by 2. So let's try by 3. So 3 is here. So 9. In 3 times table we can break down 9 by 3. 3 how many times? 3 3s are 9. Now 45, if you get bigger number, as I said, try to divide in rough and find out. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down 5. 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s are. So write down 3 15s are 45. Now 15, we know the table of 15. 3 how many times? 3 5s are 15. Now similarly again you can see here which number can be break down by 3. So this 3 can be break down how many times? 3 1 times. 3 1s are 3 and 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 we cannot break down by 3, so we will write as it is 5. Now we got 1 5 5. So by which number we can break down? Since it is a prime number, 5 and 5, no other numbers can be used to divide that. So it goes only by one time. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of 18, 45 and 60. So at last what we can do? We can write therefore LCM of given number, that is 18, 45 and 60 equals to, write down all the factors number, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now after writing all the factors, what you have to do? We have to multiply step by step. So here what we can write? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are, you can multiply 36 into 5, 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 5 3s are 15, plus 3 18. So at last how much you got? 180. So this is your LCM of 18, 45 and 60. Let me take again another number B, number 20, 35 and 45. So these questions I have given you from the book. You can go through the book. Okay, so again similar way we will find the factors of all these number 20, 35 and 45. So here 20 is even number, so we can break down by 2. 2 tens are 20. Now 35 we cannot break down by 2, so we write as it is 35. And 45 also we cannot break down. Now again 10. So 10 is an even number, so we can break down by 2. 2 5s are 10. 35 and 45 we will write as it is. Now here we got all the odd number. So here 30 by 3. 5 we cannot break down, so as it is you will write 5 over here. Now 35 also we cannot break down, so as it is we will write here. But here 45, as I have done in previous number also, 3 1s are 3, 15, 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s are 3, 15s are 45. Now here again 15 can be break down by 3, so 5 and 35 will write as it is. Now 3, how much is 15? 3 5s are 15. Now here if you try with 3 again we cannot break down. If you try with 4 we cannot break down this 5, 35 and 5. But if you try with 5 then yes we can break down. How many times? 5 1s are 5. 35 also we can break down by how many times? 5 7s are 35. And this 5 also we can break down by 5. 5 1s are 5. And at last what is remain here? 7. So 7 1s are 7. So all the factors you will write here again. Therefore LCM of 20, 35 and 45. 20, 35 and 45 equals to, write all the factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now you multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 36 into 5. 5 3s are 30, carry over 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 180. So here again see here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. Now 187s are 187s are 7 0s are 0, 7 8s are 56, 6 carry over 5, 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12. So how much you got? Equals to 1260, your answer. So whatever I have done here, that is all rough work. Okay, now see here in question number C, what we can see here, we in question number A and B, what I gave only 1, 2, 3 numbers, but here I am giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is very simple if you understand. Now see, write all the numbers as it is, like in previous number, 36, 64, 72, 96 and 120. Now what we see here, all the numbers are even number, so this can be break down by 2. Now 2 18s are, when you multiply 2 into 18 you will get 36. Now again 64, 2 32s are 64. Now 72, let us do rough. 2 how many times? 2 3 is 6, 12, 2 6 is 12. So 236, 236 is 72. Now again 96. 2 how many times? 2 4 is 8, 16, 2 8 is 16. So 248, 248 is 96. Now let me remind you, when you write, don't forget to put comma, and always try to write the numbers in a proper column, so that it will be easy for you to write also, as well as it will be easy for me to correct. Okay, now 120, 120 by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 0 is 0. So 260, 260 is 120. So here what we can see here also same thing, all the numbers are even. So let's break down this by 2 only. 2 9 is 18, 2 16 is 32, 2 18 is like 2 18 is 36. So here also we can write 2 18 is 36. Now for 48, let's do it rough. 2 2 is 4, 8 2 4 is 8. That means 2 24 is 2 24 is 48. Now 60, 2 30 is 60. Now here, except this 9. So here, except this 9, 16, 18, 24 and 30, all are even numbers. So we'll break down all that even number. And this is not even number, so we'll write as it is. So 2 how many times it goes? 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Now 18 how many times it goes? Like 18 it goes, 2 9 is 18. So again here 18, 2 9 is 18. Now 24, 2 12 is 24. And 30, 2 15 is 30. Now here also we have to check whether there is even number or not. So where is even number? 8 and 12. So rest are odd. So only the even number will break down. So 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 15 as it is. Now again, so here what we can see only 4 and 6 is even number. So let's break down that 4 and 6. Rest as it is, you will write 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 15 as it is. Now see, since there is no place, I am writing over here. So same number I will write here, 9 2 9 3 and 15. So let's break down this. So here only 2 is even number, so we'll break down this 2 by 2. 2 1 is 2, and 9 3 and 15 we'll write as it is. So here, now what we can see here, all the numbers are odd. So we'll break down by 3. 3 3 is 9, 1 as it is. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, and 3 5 is 15. Again we'll break down by odd number, that is 3. 3 1 is 3, 1 as it is. 3 1 is 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is. Now what is remained here? Only 5. So 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 1 is 5. So you got, since there are maximum number, that is why we got maximum number of factors. Now you write the same process, factors, all the factors. Therefore LCM of the given number 36, 64, 72, 96, 120 equals to, right now all the number 2 2 2 2 2, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. And what is given here? 3, 3. 2 times and 1, 5. Into 3, into 3, into 5. Now multiply all the numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 3 the. So we will do in rough. 64 3 the, 3 4 the 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 6 the 18 plus 1, 19. So here again I am repeating. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 3 the 192, 192 3 the 192 3 the 3 to the 6, 3 9 the 27, 7 3 1 the 3 plus 2 5. So up to here how much you got? 576. Now what is left out here? 5. That means into 5. 576 into 5. 576 into 5. Now multiply it. 5 6 is 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 7 is 35. Plus 3 38. 8 carry over 3. 5 5 is 25. Plus 3 28. So at last you got the answer, that is 2880. This is your answer. So I think you have understood what I taught you in today's class. Now I am giving you your homework. So number 1, A, B and C. So after completing, again as I told you before in previous episode, every episode I am telling you that you have to send it after completing your work through WhatsApp group. Thank you.